Hey everybody, so today this is going to be part one of a two-part video where I am making a Christmas wall art piece, and I will be making the polymer clay trees as well as a house that's going to go into my other piece. So I'm starting out with my Hippie Crafter polymer clay and making my trees. I have Christmas tree shaped cookie cutters that I used here, and they worked wonderfully to make the shape of the trees.
I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stopping till I'm the best. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you to. Floor is yours, reach out to the ground. Do you believe we're never gonna give up? We're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now, I'll take back the crowd. Oh, take back the crown. Oh, win back the crown. Those lights blowing me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm vexed to the rhythm, throw it down.
And these baked in the oven for about an hour at 265 degrees. Now that it's baked, I am using my colored UV resin by Let's Resin to add ornaments, or what appears to be ornaments. I think I used the colors red, yellow, green, purple, and blue. And I just filled those in there. Once I got them all filled in, I decided I'm going to put another layer of circles around the top there and cure it as I'm doing it. So that's what I'm doing now. Just getting all of the colors onto the top. For the house, I used polyurethane, let's resin, and I'm just adding some alcohol inks by Picasso. I'm just using my Artist Loft acrylic paint to paint the house like a brownish color. I think I have the colors copper and gold. Using my Let's Resin colored UV resin in the color yellow and just filling up the windows. When the light comes through, hopefully it will look like there's light inside. Put the UV light on for about 3 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. So please stay tuned. I will have my other video coming up shortly. Have a wonderful day. Bye.